Hey there! Welcome back to Genius Junkie. Today, we're diving into a project that's all about preserving memories, making a beautiful photo album with Canva. Whether you're looking to create a keepsake for yourself or a personalized gift for someone special, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to design a stunning photo album. Let's start by heading over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, type Photo Album in the search bar. Canva offers a variety of templates to help you get started quickly. Choose a template that fits the theme or occasion of your photo album. Whether it's a family vacation, a wedding, or just a collection of your favorite snapshots, there's a template for every style. Customizing the template. Now it's time to customize your photo album. Start by uploading your photos into Canva. Simply drag and drop them into the placeholders within the template. Canva's interface makes it easy to adjust the size and position of your photos so they fit perfectly on the page. Adding text and captions. To make your album more personal, you can add captions or short descriptions to your photos. Whether it's a date, a location, or a fun memory, adding text is as simple as clicking on a text box and typing in your details. Arranging and organizing pages. One of the great things about Canva is the ability to easily rearrange the pages in your photo album. If you want to change the order of your photos or add new pages, you can do so with just a few clicks. This flexibility ensures that your album tells your story just the way you want it. Adjusting colors, fonts, and backgrounds. Let's make your photo album even more unique by customizing the colors, fonts, and backgrounds. Canva offers a wide range of options, so you can match the design to the mood and theme of your photos. Whether you want a bright, colorful album or something more subdued and elegant, Canva has you covered. Final touches and downloading. Once you're happy with the layout and design, take a moment to review your photo album. When everything looks perfect, it's time to download your album. Click Share at the top right corner, then Download. Choose your preferred format. Canva allows you to save it as a PDF, which is great for printing, and hit the download button. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a beautiful, personalized photo album using Canva. It's a wonderful way to preserve your memories and share them with loved ones. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!